Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. So guys, in today's video is all about me and my wonderful family making our Christmas tree. Here in Italy they call it albero di Natale. As you all can see in this video, we were having fun. I was dancing while my husband and my kids, they were busy making the Christmas tree. So guys, stay tuned, enjoy this video while I take you guys along how we make our Christmas tree. And if today is your first time coming across my channel, please guys do not hesitate to subscribe. Also turn the bell on so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. If you love my channel, please kindly give my video a thumbs up, okay? So that other people will also find out I have a channel here on YouTube. Lest I forget, I am Mrs. JWO TV. Thank you all so much as I carry you guys along. Let's have fun together. I'm so happy and I'm excited because it's not easy. The year is about to end. We give glory to God for making us to be alive today. I'm so grateful. So guys, stay tuned. So as we were making the Christmas tree, I removed the music from the background. So guys, don't be surprised if you hear another sound because due to copyright, I just removed the original music, okay? You can see me here dancing up and down, you know. So if you saw another music, don't be surprised because I removed the original music due to YouTube copyright, okay? So let's have fun.
Hey, that's it all. Let's do stand.